Hi first grade friends, it's time for some Unit 3 practice. Let's warm up with our sounds. A apple A safe A, E egg E jeep E, I itch I pine I, O octopus O home O, U up U mule U rule oo, CH chin ch, TH thumb, SH ship sh, O school O book OU trout ow, OU soup oo, AW saw aw, OI coin oi. We're going to go over our sounds. Try to say the sound before I do. A, I, O, U, U, E, I, O, aw, sh, ow, oi, We're going to read from top to bottom. U, I, A, ow, I, oops, excuse me, my mistake. I, U, aw, oi, O, E, sh, Remember, you can come back to this page anytime and practice your sounds. Now we're going to do some word chaining. The first word we're going to read is this word. This word says, yes, spool. This word says, yes, pool. Now the word says, yes, cool. Doesn't say cool anymore. Now it says, yes, coil. Now the word says, yes, oil. Now it says, yes, the word is boil. Now the word is, yes, foil. Now the word says, yes, foul. Now the word says, yes, fool. Now the word says, yes, food. Let's read some sentences. Okay, let's look here. Read the first sentence on your own, and then we'll go over it. If you need to pause the video to do that. Okay. First word, yes, there. Next word, yes, should. Next word, yes, be. Next word, to, like the number 2. Next word, yes, books. Last word, yes, left. Let's read the the sentence together. Ready? There should be 2 books left. And we can read it a little bit faster. There should be 2 books left. Look at the next sentence. Go ahead and read it on your own. If you need to pause the video, go ahead and do that. And then we'll go over it together. First word, yes, the. Next word, yes, wind. Next word, yes, shook. Next word, yes, the. Last word, yes, trees. Let's read this sentence together. The wind shook the trees. And a little bit faster. The wind shook the trees. Awesome job. Now we're going to spell some words. The first word we're going to spell is stood. Say stood. Tap stood. Stood. Let's write the letters as we say the sounds. St. What says like book? O says stood. Spell stood. S-T-O-O-D. Stood. Say point. Tap point. Point. Let's write the letters as we say the sounds. Oi. What says oi? O-I says oi. Point. Spell point. P-O-I-N-T. Point. Say bound. Tap bound. Bound. There are 4 sounds in bound. Let's write the letters as we say the sounds. B. What says owl like trout? O-U. Bound. Spell bound. B-O-U-N-D. Bound. Our next word is jaw. Say jaw. Tap jaw. J-aw. There are 2 sounds in jaw. Let's write the letters as we say the sounds. J. What says aw? A-W says aw. Spell jaw. J-A-W. Jaw. The last word we're going to spell on our grapheme map is droop. Say droop. Tap droop. D-R-oop. There are 4 sounds in droop. Let's write the letters as we say the sounds. D-R-oo. What says oo? Like school. O-O. D-R-oop. Let's spell droop. D-R-O-O-P. Let's start at the top of our list and read the words going down. Word. Yes. Stood. Word. Yes. Point. Word. Yes. Bound. Word. Yes. Jaw. Word. Yes. Droop. Word. 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 Good job reading. We're going to write some sentences. Okay, so we have 2 sentences that we're going to write. The first sentence says, what a soft couch. How many words are in our sentence? What a soft couch. We have 4 words. If you need to pause the video now so that you can write the sentence, what a soft couch. And then we'll go over it. Okay, the first word in our sentence is what. Spell what. W-H-A-T. What. We have an uppercase letter, an uppercase W, so that because it's the beginning of a sentence. We have our finger space, A or A. Finger space sounds in soft, soft. Finger space sounds in couch. Ow. O-U says ow. Ch. Our digraph C-H. We're kind of excited about that, so we're going to use an exclamation point. Let's read our sentence together. Ready? What a soft couch. In our second sentence, say, I have red boots. How many words in our sentence? I have red boots. We have 4 words in our sentence. If you need to pause the video now to write your sentence, go ahead and pause it now and write the sentence, I have red boots. And then we'll go over it together. First word, I. Uppercase I, finger space. Have, H-A-V-E, have. Finger space. Sounds in red, red. Finger space. Boots. Oh, boots. I hear a suffix S at the end of boots. What's the base word of boots? Yes, boot. Let's spell boot and then add the suffix S. Sounds in boot, b, oo like school, O-O, t. And then So there's boot, and then our suffix s, and then a punctuation mark. Let's read our sentence together. Ready? I have red boots. Good work today, friends. We'll see you again next time.